Hi, I'm Chris Temple. I'm a yoga teacher in New York City, and I'm here to share with you the 5 reasons why you should be doing yoga. Number 1, reduce and prevent chronic pain. According to addictiontreatment.com, America spends $47.6 billion every year on pain relievers. Yoga can help to reduce these costs, helping to manage and reduce pain. A recent study at the Group Health Research Institute in Seattle included 3 groups of people suffering from chronic pain. 2 of these groups received weekly 75-minute yoga and stretch classes and then were sent home to practice on the off days for about 20 minutes a day. The other group was given instructions on healthy lifestyle changes and practices to reduce their pain. After 6 months, the yoga groups had the most significant improvement. Number 2, improves heart health. Yoga can be a great way to get the heart thumping. Recent studies at both Johns Hopkins and Harvard Health show healthier heart measurements for patients that were practicing yoga. If you want to receive these benefits, you do need to stick to styles like vinyasa or ashtanga, but most importantly, find the teacher that gets you moving. Number 3, improves balance and coordination. The more balance and coordination we have, the more gracefully and ultimately efficiently we move. This means less energy wasted doing the things that you already do, which means having more energy to do the things that you want to do. Number 4, reduces stress and helps with depression. Meditation is a key ingredient of any yoga class, and it has been proven to help reduce stress and depression. How it actually works, the evidence does suggest that the simple combination of relaxation and exercise brings the body and mind into calm focus and ups the well-being. Number 5, improves sleep and sex drive. Both have shown improvement after a regular yoga practice is started. Most studies show improvement within a few months. Yoga can reduce anxiety and stress, which lowers cortisol levels, which elevates the overall mood and positively affects sexual drive and performance. Yoga improves overall body confidence as well, which seems to get approval among most as a side benefit. So there you have it, the 5 reasons that you should be doing yoga. Please reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat. Namaste.